Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2026. It's third round action and the scores are Westwood High on 8, St. Andrew High now on 4. They lost a point for the French question. What is the plural of le cheval? And the answer should have been les chevaux. And so it's time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. St. Andrew High, it's time for your first minute. St. Andrew, in the Bible, how many epistles did Paul write while he was in prison?
13.
Incorrect, 4. What process moves sugars in the phloem of a part?
Translocation.
Plant, rather. Correct.
Good.
Which 9-letter verb, starting with E, means to remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin?
Exfoliate.
Correct.
Good.
There's no need to comment. Who is the mayor of Maypen in Jamaica?
Joel Williams.
Correct. Good. Which city will host the 2028 Summer Olympics?
Berlin. Yeah.
Incorrect. Los Angeles. What is the capital of Chile?
Chile. Santiago.
Correct. In music, what term describes the process of changing from one key to another within a piece of music?
Transposing.
No, modulation. Someone bubbles carbon dioxide through lime water. The solution first turns milky, then clears when excess gas is added. Name the white solid that forms first.
Calcium hydroxide.
No, calcium carbonate. If 15% of a number is 48, the number is 320. And that's it. End of the first minute for St. Andrew High for girls. And now we go to Westwood High. Your first minute, Westwood, beginning now. In the Bible, which Pauline epistle is often called the Book of Joy?
Philippians.
Correct. Which plant hormone promotes cell elongation?
Auxin.
Correct. Which 11-letter verb, starting with D, means to spread or scatter widely?
Dispersion.
No, disseminate. Who is the mayor of Black River in Jamaica?
Richard Solomon.
Correct. Which sea has the highest salinity in the world?
Dead Sea.
Correct. What is the capital of Tanzania?
Dodoma.
Correct. What term in music refers to the speed at which a piece is played?
Tempo.
Correct. What product forms at the cathode during electrolysis of molten sodium chloride?
Chlorine.
No, liquid sodium metal. If 18% of a number is 81, what is the number?
900.
Incorrect, 450. Which actress played Letitia's Wright's mother in the film Black Panther?
Pass.
Angela Bassett. In what year did the American Revolution War begin?
1775.
Correct. End of the first minute for Westwood. And now we go back to St. Andrew for their second minute. St. Andrew, which British actor played Sherlock Holmes in the BBC series Sherlock?
Henry Cavill.
No, Benedict Cumberbatch. Which Argentine general liberated southern South? José de San Martín. Which team won the French League One in 2024-2025?
Paris Saint-Germain.
Yes.
Good.
A car traveling at 25 meters. The answer is 62.5 meters. Translate into English the Spanish. Hemos reservado una habitación para 2 noches.
We had reserved a room for 2 nights.
Yes. And who wrote the dystopian novel 1984?
George Orwell.
Correct. The Spur Tree Hill forms the border of which 2 parishes in Jamaica?
St. Anne and...
No, Manchester and St. Elizabeth. In the Bible, which New Testament prophetess was the daughter of Phanuel?
Pass.
Anna or Hannah. Which cell organelles generate ATP for use in respiration?
Mitochondria.
Correct. What does the word fulminate mean? To protest or to support?
To support.
No, that's incorrect. Came after the bell. To protest. End of the second minute for St. Andrew. And now we go back to Westwood for their second minute. Westwood, which team won the Scottish Premier League in 2024-25? Celtic FC. A sprinter of mass 60 kg reaches a speed of 10 meters per second for rest in 4 seconds. What average horizontal force does the ground exert on the sprinter?
Pass.
150 newtons. Translate into English the Spanish, yo perdí el autobús.
I missed the bus.
Correct. Who wrote the play The Lion and the Jewel?
C.S. Lewis.
No, Wole Soyinka. The White River forms the border of which 2 parishes in Jamaica?
St. Anne and St. Mary.
Correct. In the Bible, during King Josiah's reign, with which prophetess did Hilkiah, the high priest, consult?
Huldah.
Yes. What is the name for a cell with 2 complete sets of chromosomes?
Diploid.
Yes. Does the word Ebullient means sad or cheerful.
Cheerful.
Correct. Who was the president of the Northern Caribbean University in Jamaica?
Lincoln Edwards.
Correct. What is the name of the official residence of the French president?
The LSE Palace.
Correct. What is the capital of the... We'll hold that one. That's the end of the second minute for Westwood High. Now we go back to St. Andrew High for girls, and this is their third and final minute. St. Andrew, who is the president of the Caribbean Maritime University in Jamaica? No, Andrew Spencer. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of which Indian official?
Pass.
The president. What is the capital of Greenland?
Nuuk.
Correct. What is the name of the vocal technique where men can sing above their normal range?
Pass.
Falsetto. What is the chemical symbol and atomic number of polonium?
PD 46.
No, PO 84. What is the sum of the prime numbers between 60 and 70?
128.
Correct. Who won the Oscar for Best Actor for his role in the 1976 movie Network?
Pass.
Peter Finch. In which year was the Battle of Midway during the Second World War?
1941.
No, 1942. In which sport can you be out hit wicket?
Cricket.
Correct. In which country was the Physics Nobel Prize winner Yoshiro Nambu born? And no time to answer that one. Answer would have been Japan, bringing us to the end of the third and final minute for St. Andrew. And now we go back to Westwood High for their third and final. Westwood, what is the capital of the Balearic Islands?
Minorca.
No, Palma de Mallorca, or Palma on its own. What is the name for a night piece, often for the piano, which was popular in the 19th century?
Pass.
Nocturne. What is the chemical symbol and atomic number of tellurium?
TE 52.
Correct. What is the sum of the prime numbers between 40 and 50?
50. 41 plus 43 and 47. 131.
Correct. Who won the Oscar for the Best Actor for his role in the 1978 movie Coming Home?
Pass.
John Voight. And in which year was the Normandy landings during World War II?
1944.
Correct. In which sport can you hit the bullseye or a double?
Double. Archery.
No, darts. In which country was the Physics Nobel Prize winner Charles Cohen-Kao born?
Pass.
China. Translate to English to Spanish. Nosotros estamos buscando la farmacia or
We're looking
farmacia.
for the pharmacy.
I believe the answer came after the bell, even though correct. That brings us to the end of the third and final minute for Westwood High and the end of our speed challenge. The scores at this time: Westwood High on 25, St. Andrew High on 15. We go to the break with a good word from True Milk. Practice past questions. Try previous papers or similar questions to prepare. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. Round 3 action in TVJ Schools Challenge 2026 returns right after this.